Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today I want to take you all on a fun adventure to find takjil with me. Yay! This is me looking for takjil with my sibling and friend. Let's start our culinary adventure. Oh yeah guys, my village is in the middle of rice fields. So we have to cross the rice field first before we can get to the main road. Before looking for takjil, I want to go to my friend's house because I want to join too. There you go, that's the house, the green one. By the way, this is my friend's sibling.
Bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive.
Here's my friend guys. We're going to an accessory store first to buy a watch battery. Then we're going to a clothing store. Remember guys, obey traffic rules, don't break them. We're here. Since we didn't find anything we like at the clothing store, we decided to go find some snack instead. Tada! We bought this chubby jurang and batagor, but the batagor was bought by my friend, guys. Oh yeah, before we video the vendor, we should ask for permission first, because we don't know if they're okay with it. After finishing buying our snacks, we went straight home because it was almost time to break our fast. Look at my friend's face. They're so happy about breaking their fast. Her wife already spared from my friend, so it's just me and my sibling. Because I promised to treat my sibling to dim sum earlier, here we are.